All right, everybody, welcome back. So, as we was just sitting here enjoying this nice, summery, not a cloud in the sky day, chilling in the backyard, you see we got the vibes going. My kids, once again hit me with another dare. So what is the dare?
Cicada Smoothie. It is one of the cicadas. One of the cicadas.
So basically, they want me to make a cicada smoothie. You gotta get your hair cut tomorrow.
Okay.
They want me to do a cicada smoothie. I thought about it, contemplated, and let me tell you the reasoning behind this. So, let me tell you the reasoning behind why I'm gonna do this. You hear what he said? Say it again.
Stoicism. For stoicism.
Stoicism. What is stoicism? What is stoicism? Tell them, what's stoicism?
Be tough. Be tough and do something that you don't want to do.
You hear that? To be tough and to do something that you don't want to do for the sake of getting tougher. They learn that, okay? Through these type of exercises. I don't have to keep teaching them that stuff. They got it. Now the reasoning behind this is, with my background, there's been a lot of turmoil in personal situations growing up, and I don't care to disclose that stuff to them. They don't need to hear that, nor they don't need to know the details. So in order to show them what hard is, or how to grow thick skin, or how to be tough, or thick skin, or how to be tough, because in life you gotta have thick skin. These are the lessons, okay? I just want you to grasp that. This is not some trying to get attention and likes and views. That's for individuals that's thriving on that pulsation. And I'm not knocking people that's thriving on that pulsation. My pulsation is to help, to teach, and assist with future generations. So when I'm older, the world will be a better place. Henceforth, the youth. So I'm teaching them lessons that they could understand and that they could grasp, that they could use and teach their kids and other kids. So in the future, they won't have to be exposed to the turmoil, that I had to be part of. What you got?
A cicada.
He got a cicada. So last time we did one. Now this time they dared me to do how many? They dared me to do two.
Wait, where's the other one?
So it's one right there. So am I gonna be a punk for all the daddies out there? 100. Is you gonna show your kids you a punk? You know what I'm saying? Or am I gonna really be tough? Now I wouldn't do something foolish that could, cause, I don't want to speak on that, negativity. This is something that had just passed through me. I poop it out. I go to these restaurants anyway. I have no idea what's in the gumbo. I literally don't know what's in there. Hey, so guess what? At least I know what's in this gumbo. And this is what we have. And of course, you know what this is. Ninja, if y'all want to sponsor me, this is the Ninja.
Ninja.
It's the Ninja. So, we got stuff on the side, it don't matter. Whatever. We got strawberries. So the first thing we putting in here.
It's a strawberry. That's a big strawberry.
We throwing the strawberries in there. Bop. Oh, what a thing at the blades. Hold on, I gotta pause. I need the blades.
Hey.
Okay, so here's the ingredients. We got strawberries, almond milk, of course, plant protein. We got the plant protein, of course. And we got some stevia. So the first thing we gonna put in is the strawberries.
Yup. Yup. You have to get some strawberries.
We're gonna put the strawberries in.
We got the big strawberries. Wait a minute, how's this bigger?
And we got strawberry stains and stuff on here. We don't care.
You should have.
He dropped the cicada. He must know it's about to go down. That's why he tried to run. So.
This one knows it.
Oh, that's another. Oh, he showed up for dinner. He showed up. He actually came. So this must be the one. See how the universe works? See. That's how the universe works. God, whoever you worship. I had another cicada in mind that's standing over here in the corner. But the universe said this is the one I'm supposed to have. And then it's also confirmation that I'm supposed to do this to teach you a lesson. These are the sacrifices you make to better society. This is the type of sacrifice you make so people could put their fears away. Okay? So I'm taking one for the team right now. So we got the we got the strawberries in there. We're gonna put the protein in there. And I like chocolate. Well, vanilla too.
I like chocolate. I like chocolate too. I don't like vanilla.
We got some vanilla protein in there.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh my god, that cicada needs to shut up.
We're about to bomb, my friend.
Yeah, you are about to bomb. You are getting it ready.
We're about to be part of this physical forever. Because your DNA will be connected to mine.
And hey, little guy, are you little? Hey, little guy, are you little? You are too little to be dating this woman right here. Not time to teach you your punishment.
Oh, this ain't a punishment. This is nature. This is food. This is nature helping us teach people lessons, okay? And that's what I'm gonna do. And it is what it is.
Jada, you already know it's over. Stop. So you might as well shut up.
Got the stevia.
No, oh my god, I'm allergic to all those foods. Well, too bad, it's gonna be over. Oh my god, oh my god, he's ripping his brains off.
So, we gotta clean him off though. That's the thing. We gotta, I don't know where he been, you know what I'm saying?
Don't forget this cicada.
So we got, hold on. So we gotta clean him off.
He did. I think the cicadas with orange eyes are all females. Are they? Because this one's not making it anymore, so this has to be a female.
I don't know, I'm not sure.
Yeah, he's dead. Wait, what, he's still alive? Oh no! Don't go away.
Ain't gonna lie.
That's a...
Number 2.
She's not gonna make it. Bye, lady. Bye, lady. Bye, lady. Wait, at least you're gonna... And Lady Cicada, this is gonna be your last date with your husband. Your last date. Last date. Goodbye. Are you ready to die? Yes.
You see it's still in there crawling too. You see that?
It's stoicism. Wait.
What is that?
Stoicism.
Stoicism. Enough said.
The cicada trying to do
Alright.
stoicism and get used to it and try to escape. Ooh.
Okay, now I'm not gonna show you the blender on camera, but you're gonna hear it. You're gonna hear it, but you're not gonna see it.
Yeah, because it's so...
And there's gonna be no cuts. There's not gonna be no cuts. It's gonna be what it is.
It's just that you're gonna turn it black, or just gonna do it like
it's gonna be terrible.
No. Just no. It is fun out there.
No cut. No cut. No cut. No cut. Straight footage. No cut. stoicism. Come on, right?
Yeah.
Now let me ask y'all, do y'all want me to do this?
Yes. Yup.
Can I cop out or I gotta do it?
Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Stoicism.
You hear that?
You wanted to do this. So it's stoicism.
Here we go.
Rest in peace.
Do y'all want to say a prayer that y'all want to thank them? Thank you for the sacrifice to teach people lessons, because I'm sacrificing my taste buds right now. Right.
Sacrificing.
So this is for y'all. That's all I can say.
And Daddy, I gotta tell you something.
Oh, it's a hunk of strawberry still left. Hold on.
And pray the gods of stoicism. And Daddy, if you like it, how about you catch some more cicadas?
No, what?
And then eat some more.
Do you hear him trying to make me make cicada smoothies on a daily?
Pray the cicada. Pray the gods of stoicism. It has to be like water.
All right, here we go.
Rest in peace.
Pray the gods of stoicism.
And
So
Rest in peace, taste buds.
the reason why he's saying that, because he understands that different cultures have different ways to worship, and he's respecting other individuals' beliefs. He's not knocking somebody upside the head with how he believes or how we believe or whatever, whether you believe in God, Jesus, Buddha, whoever. So he's saying that because I teach them about different cultures, and each culture have the different gods. So that's why he said that. So whoever you worship, respect. Whew, here we go. Let's do this. Come on. No cut, baby.
That good? Is it good? Chug.
Let's go.
Chug. Oh, he want more?
Let's go. Let's go.
That's the whole
Stoicism.
thing.
Come on.
That's the whole thing. Chug.
Now let's get it. Where you at? How you gonna teach your kids? You gonna just talk to them?
If you a grown
Or you gonna what?
If you a grown man, you scared of cicadas, you a for real punk.
Cheers.
Chug.
I just ate a body. Ugh.
Chug. Oh, don't.
Okay, the last time you was like, oh, and now you're like,
I'm just saying.
blend the cup.
That being said, till next time, hit on with them, y'all.
Peace.
Peace
out.
I think that was pretty good.
Stoicism.